Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by stopping browser push alerts. Open your browser settings and go straight to site permissions, then notifications. Change the default to block or ask. Remove any sites listed under allowed so they can no longer push messages. Once done, restart the browser and test in a private window to confirm no prompts reappear. This prevents new sites from prompting you and immediately cuts ongoing push traffic, saving time before we handle emails and in-page message widgets next. Next, you stop in-page chats and newsletters at the source. Sign into accounts on bothering sites, open account or notification settings, and switch off chat, SMS, and marketing preferences. Save changes. For emails, use the unsubscribe link or create an email filter that archives or deletes sender addresses automatically. If one-click unsubscribe fails, block the sender and mark as spam. Make sure to check secondary addresses and linked apps so messages from third-party services stop. Finally, you clean up and prepare for edge cases. Clear site data and cookies for sites you changed so old sessions won't keep sending messages. Then reboot the browser. If some messages persist, install a privacy or ad block extension configured to block widgets and trackers. If behaviors still continue, reset browser permissions to default and reapply blocks, or contact the website support to remove your contact info. One troubleshooting tip: test using a different browser or device to isolate whether the problem is local or on the site side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.